start with just over 2 weeks left to the March 31st deadline for the government and RBI to complete the quinennial review of the current inflation target under the monetary policy framework. The latest consumer price index reading provides a salutary reminder for policymakers to maintain a ceaseless vigil over price stability. Stop. Retail inflation measured by the CPI accelerated to a 3-month high of 5.03% in February. Data released by the National Statistical Office on Friday showed the jump of almost 100 basis points from January's 4.06%, while partly attributable to a base effect given that price gains had relatively eased in February 2020, it is clear signal that food and fuel costs continue to pose a threat to broader price stability in the economy. Especially, the RBI's early February prognostication of continuing pressure in the prices of pulses and edible oils has been borne out by the last 2 months CPI data. Inflation of both essential food products has persisted in the double digits during the period, and in the case of the latter, accelerated disconcertingly to 20.8% last month. Price gains with respect to two other key sources of protein, meat and fish and eggs, also remain stuck above 11%. And the deflation in vegetable costs, which had helped offset the generalized pressure in food inflation, also waned considerably in February to minus 6.7% from minus 15.8% in January. The upshot was that food and beverages as a combined category with a weight of 54.2% in the CPI witnessed an almost 160 basis points quickening in inflation to 4.25% last month from January's 2.67%. Another equally worrisome source of inflationary pressure in the continuing upward trajectory in the prices of petroleum products, transport and communication, which directly reflect these prices, saw inflation rocket by more than 200 basis points to 11.4% in February from 9.3% the preceding month. Diesel, the main fuel for freight carriage, is now hovering around rupees 85 per liter in many parts and will most certainly feed into the costs of everything requiring to be transported. Brent crude oil futures have surged by close to 40% in the 3-month period through March 11 in the wake of output cuts by major oil producing nations. Another worrying portent for inflation, with the RBI's own researchers having so cogently laid out the case for persisting with the current feasible inflation targeting regime of ensuring that price gains stay within the 2% to 6% band in the central bank's first report on currency and finance in 8 years. Policymakers must stay lesser focused on keeping price stability front and center of their fresh framework for the next quinquennum. Stop any effort to dilute the focus in a purported bid to prioritize growth, risks putting the economy on a perilous path that many secure neither objective. Stop.